Modupe. Welcome to my channel. Today I brought you to Phil's farmhouse. It's basically a poultry farm, and well, we'll probably look into expanding later on. But for now, we have just layer birds, and they're going to start giving us eggs in a few weeks. Hopefully, as time goes on, I'm going to be talking more about poultry, how to manage your poultry farm, how to start a poultry farm, what to expect when you want to start a poultry farm, your expense, what your expenses might be like, or basically giving poultry advice. So if this is the kind of content you'll be interested in, please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to having you on subsequent videos. Yep. Here I feel over birds at the farm, and okay, it's actually feed time. So you'd see the farm attendant giving the birds feed. For subsequent videos, we'll be talking about everything poultry related, like I earlier mentioned. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and tell somebody that the new poultry girl is in town. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.